Hello everyone, and welcome to our comprehensive review of Turboscribe AI, a cutting-edge transcription service designed to convert your audio and video files into text swiftly and accurately. In this video, we'll delve into its main features, discuss the pros and cons, and help you determine if it's the right tool for your transcription needs. Turboscribe AI is an AI-powered transcription platform that leverages advanced technology to transcribe audio and video content into text with remarkable accuracy. It's designed to cater to a wide range of users, from students and professionals to content creators, offering both free and premium plans to suit varying requirements. Navigating through Turboscribe AI's interface, you'll encounter several key sections. Homepage provides an overview of the service, highlighting its capabilities, supported languages, and the technology powering its transcription engine. Pricing details the different subscription plans available, including the free and unlimited options, along with their respective features and benefits. FAQs addresses common questions and provides guidance on using the platform effectively. Blog offers articles and updates related to transcription services and AI technology. Pros: high accuracy. Powered by Whisper, Turboscribe boasts a transcription accuracy rate of 99.8%, ensuring reliable text outputs. Language support supports over 98 languages, making it accessible to a global user base. Generous free plan allows users to transcribe up to 3 files daily, each up to 30 minutes long without any cost. Unlimited transcriptions. The premium plan offers unlimited transcriptions, accommodating high-volume users. Large file handling, capable of processing files up to 10 hours in length or 5 gigabytes in size, which is advantageous for lengthy recordings. Cons: web-only access. Turboscribe is currently accessible only through its web platform, lacking dedicated mobile or desktop applications. Limited free plan features. The free plan restricts uploads to 1 file at a time and offers lower priority in transcription processing. Is it worth it? If you're seeking a reliable and efficient transcription service, Turboscribe AI presents a compelling option. Its high accuracy, extensive language support, and ability to handle large files make it suitable for various transcription needs. The free plan is generous for casual users, while the unlimited plan offers excellent value for those requiring extensive transcription services. However, if you prefer dedicated applications or require faster processing times without a subscription, you might need to consider these factors. In conclusion, Turboscribe AI stands out as a robust transcription tool, offering a blend of accuracy, versatility, and affordability. Whether you're a student, professional, or content creator, it provides the tools necessary to transcribe your audio and video content effectively. Thank you for watching our review. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights into the latest tools and technologies.